Now I'm trying to find equation of line passing through 2 points, point A and point B, whose position vectors are given as vector A and vector B. And we have an arbitrary point P, whose position vector is given as vector R. So now we get to know that vector AP is collinear to vector AB. And from collinearity, it can be written as vector AP equal to lambda into vector AB. So now we get that position vector of AP equal to vector R minus vector A, and position vector of AB equal to vector B minus vector A. So now we have vector R minus vector A equal to lambda into vector B minus vector A, and it can be further written as vector R equal to vector A plus lambda into vector B minus vector A. This is the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points. And now, so first we have the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and z1, and coordinates of P as x, y and z, and coordinates of B as x2, y2 and z2. So from here we get x equal to x1 plus lambda into x2 minus x1, y equal to y1 plus lambda into y2 minus y1, z equal to z1 plus lambda into z2 minus z1. And when we eliminate lambda, we get x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1.